Yo! Oh my God, bro. Whoa, dude, you're so close to the top.
Oh shit, man.
Dude, that seems like a tray jump. That seems like a tray jump.
What's this one here?
Yeah, it seems easy to get up here.
Yeah, it would be a case.
Yeah.
It'd be a hard landing.
Yeah, a case of the sends.
Yeah. Dude, if only I could grease it down there on the like a
land in the berm, dude.
Oh man. Dude, that's some strong shit. First hit of the 50-footer.
Good Lord, Trey. That man was made to send. I gotta figure out that guy's age, because I have no excuses. Actually, I do. I suck, and I break my feet all the time. I gotta hit that part a little. Yeah, I gotta hit that part better because I don't have enough speed for that little jump there. Yeah, it's hard to go fast enough for that one too. That one's easy. I cannot describe, like the video does not do it justice, how this turf feels. Like, there's no, it's just pure traction. What I don't want to know is how it feels to fall on this. But it's like, it's just, you're just stuck. Like, I couldn't even, like, your bike just goes where you point the tire. That was a nice one. Oh, so fun. So fun. I think the track is open to all types of bikes, but it's kind of catered for Surons. All right, we got the track to ourselves. And we're gonna hit this part better. This, you're probably supposed to go like this. There we go. And there's no way to hit this fast enough. Or is there? No, you can't hit this. Nah, I don't know about that one. Alright. This is gonna be the last lap of the day. Woo! Man, this is fun. And like, it's very noob friendly, I want to say. I'd like to say that I'm what's not a pro by any means, not a novice. I'm intermediate. I'm an intermediate rider, and I have a lot of confidence on this track. Feels amazing. Can't even describe, like, you can't even skid. I couldn't even skid right there. But your bike just goes where you want it to go. No play, like no slide. I just pinned it And if I was on the dirt, I'd have a little tail spin there. Wow. Wow, that's good shit.
Was that a no-hander?
There's a one-hander. Ow. The video does not do it justice.
It never does.
Like, it's
you feel like you're getting so much air.
there's no loss of traction whatsoever.
Yeah.
Like, you can pin it and you just stick. Like, if this was dirt, you'd be fishtailing and like all this shit.
It's crazy how much the turf actually makes a difference.
One time I was at 3 Palms. That was nice. And I hit a berm too fast and I flew out the side of it. That would not happen here. I should hit a berm as fast as I can. What's the best berm here? This berm. Yo, I love that jump.
Looks so good.
Dude, you look sick with a cigarette and a dirt bike.
Yeah, you really do.
Sun's going down. We gotta talk to John, who runs this place, and then we gotta wrap this vlog up. Where'd you say you got this turf from? A high school?
Like 2 colleges in Dallas
Uh-huh.
and 1 from Houston.
Oh wow.
And I don't know which ones they were.
Yeah.
It was so chaotic when the trucks were pulling in and I was having to offload. There was like almost 50 to 60 semi trucks
Wow.
on the property.
Oh my god.
It was nuts. I was like, oh, I'm getting a divorce. But luckily my wife is super cool. She's like, she just walks outside, is like, I don't like this. Okay. Okay. I'll fix it.
And you're open to the public right now?
Yes.
Just on weekends?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Friday through Monday.
Oh, okay.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Oh, cool. And all bikes are welcome?
Yes.
All bikes are welcome. John Madden himself, guys, he built this incredible track, first of its kind, turfed motocross track. Check out Madden MX Playground on Instagram. Come check him out here in Gun Barrel City, Texas. Tell him you saw his park on my videos. All bikes welcome. Huge shout out to all my patrons. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Bus is all dialed in. I just changed my IDM. It was way cheaper than I thought. I did it myself. I thought it was going to cost like $1,000 and take 2 weeks, but I did it for myself in about 2 hours and $300. So, and my bus is straight piped. Check out G-Bear's channel. He needs he's a new channel, you know. He needs some subscribers, so go over to G-Bear's channel, check him out. Get after it, guys. Don't get hurt. Ride within your means. Click the like button, please. I'm begging you. If you made it this far in the video, leave a comment that says whatever happened to, and then just any city in North Carolina. Doesn't matter, because I love seeing comments like that. That's not getting old at all. Support your local loophole. Good enough isn't. Peace.
Dylan came to my house, snuck to my house, and stole something off my porch today. A little fun fact.